Hello and welcome to All Iran Ads channel. In this video, I will share my experience with Facebook ads clients in Nepal. Recently, I have onboarded one of the clients from Janakpur. So he has a B2B business. He sells wholesale product to worldwide, and his product was clothes, women clothes like kurti, salwar, lehenga, and he even sent me a 1500 rupees for 1 week campaigns, and I rejected him. So let's see why I rejected his offer. So I will mention a couple of points. The first and foremost, I approached him and said 1500 for 1 week, and he was confused that it's service charge between and the marketing budget. So I explained him, but he said, I want to spend only 1500 for 1 week. So I said, let me do it as a test. So yeah, during the conversation, I found something very suspicious. That's why I rejected him. First point, he was very hesitant to give me a full access control to his Facebook page. So that's the middle point, that he keep going with me circle that a lot of discussion that I don't have a Facebook page which has a lot of followers. Basically, he has a business name, but as a Facebook profile. So I said, just submit your to the Facebook so that they can turn you on professional mode. So, but Facebook was taking a lot longer time, and I said we should create a new page. But after the day, he sent me a admin, admin request for the page, and I was very amazed that that page has 543 followers, and he told me that I don't have so much followers except from this profile, and it looks like he told a lie. That's the first thing that I noticed. And yeah, and the second scene, he always in a hurry, like I don't know why he always cut me off in the conversation, that he always tried to put him as top of my word. And I said, well, I think I. So what I'm saying is, he feels bored to communicate between back and forth. Actually, digital marketing involves a lot of communication with clients back and forth. So he was like, he always in a hurry, and he actually, when I say to him that do this, do that, he feels like someone is dictating, dictating to him. He don't want to follow the orders. That's what I feel, that he was feeling like that. And the fourth point, as I said, high attitude. And he thought that he knows a lot of stuff, but actually in reality not. And when I explained to him that what is marketing budget and how it's different to service charge, he said immediately, what do you do when you take 1500? I explained a lot of things, that these are the things that I do, that's why I'm charging this much. And he says he feels very uncomfortable with that. And the last point that I would say is, he has a very low budget and high expectation. He wants to run campaign all over the globe, in Nepal, India, Pakistan, Australia, Japan, USA, and his budget was $10 for per week. And I said, what? But all these points that I mentioned, it's not actually the main reason that I rejected him, and I repay back his amount. So when I noticed that he don't want to give me a full access control, and he feels very hesitant to give full access control to me. And he also hide that he don't have any pages with a lot of followers than his personal Facebook profile, and that's what clicks me that I should not work with this person. He said, he started praising himself in the chat that I have 130 customers. And then I said, well, then you don't need to run ads, you have a lot of customers. He said, I want more. I said, you should visit marketing agencies. I will refer to 2 or 3 marketing agencies, and you should contact them. And that's how I rejected him, and it was a very, very terrible experience. and yeah, that's what happened. So if you like this video and if you find any kind of helpful things, please consider subscribe, and I will share my journey on this channel, so be in touch with me and see you soon. Thanks for watching. Keep doing your best.